Guys, it's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we're taking a good look at Ondo Finance. Now, Ondo Finance is I have a very urgent news to tell each and one of us on Ondo Finance. I opened a long position on Ondo Finance yesterday, regardless of if it was going to dump or not. I opened a long position on Ondo Finance, so it will definitely enable me to keep on dollar cost averaging into Ondo Finance, because the White House, the USA White House, released a crypto website for crypto regulation, and Ondo, in terms of reward asset tokenization, Ondo was featured on their website. So this is very huge. I think in terms of reward asset, Chainlink, Ondo, Plume, and which other assets was featured? Apart from Bitcoin and Ethereum, Ondo, Plume, Chainlink was featured on their website, which is a very huge news. And apart from that too, let's not also forget that I made a video a long time ago advising us to ape into USA coins, because definitely USA will definitely be favoring, since Trump is not the president and Trump is pro crypto. The US will definitely be favoring the US crypto. And if you can see the World Liberty Finance portfolio, it is mainly US coins that are there. Yes, and they've been adding more US coins. So definitely you should definitely be, having some of these USA coins on in your portfolio. So now back to where we currently are right now. I'll definitely show you guys the stuff. I think I went through the document released by the White House on their website, but I didn't read through it. I was just going for the tokenization, and I saw Ondo as one of the projects they made reference to, so which is very huge, guys. So as you can see right here, Ondo is dumping, which is fine. You could see I used 5x leverage to open my position to show you how bullish I was that particular minute. So my liquidation price is currently at 0.78, which is fine. I will be adding more margin to it, though I'm now like skeptical of adding more margin to either my SUI or my Ondo, but it seems like I'll be adding more margin to Ondo. But currently we are definitely seeing Ondo dropping all the way down to 0.87. I remember one of my 2 videos on Ondo or 3 videos on Ondo, someone was like, oh, I'm talking nonsense because Ondo was at $1.10, and I predicted that there's a possibility that when Ondo is correcting, Ondo might retest the 0.875 level. And the person was like, oh, I was talking nonsense, Ondo cannot. I will keep on letting you guys know that if Ondo's market cap is 1 point something billion, and you know that on your portfolio you are not holding over half of Ondo's market cap, you shouldn't come here and predict if Ondo is going to dump to which level or not. There is you can't come here and critique me like you are holding half of Ondo back, except you are holding the whole circulation of Ondo or half of Ondo's circulation right now. You shouldn't come to this channel and criticize or tell me the level that you think Ondo will go, and criticize me or my own opinion on the level I think that Ondo won't go to. So now that Ondo is currently around this level, I don't know what the person is thinking right now, or the person unsubscribed or whatever, but you definitely have to make sure that when you're actually like criticizing someone, I know that most people in crypto, they critique with emotions, which is okay, but you should definitely know that when someone is analyzing, you should definitely give the person room to give his or her opinion, why you can also drop your own opinion without attacking the person like the person knows nothing of what they are talking about. So now we are definitely seeing Ondo dumping. The level I'm expecting Ondo to even dump further, if Bitcoin should keep on dumping further, is definitely going to be 0.84 or 0.8380. This is actually a possibility, yeah, but I'm not sure. But if we are able to come to this level, because due to the fact that this is a level where the Fibonacci is actually at, there's a possibility that we could find a move to the upside, or we could rally much higher from this level right here. But left to me, I'm expecting a move all the way down to 0.874. If we can move to that level, I will definitely be adding more margin to my Ondo trade. So we should definitely be looking forward to this level right here. For now, whichever level we are seeing Ondo, we should definitely be stacking Ondo, because it will be too late by the time real world assets becomes something huge, because tokenization of gold, tokenization of stocks, tokenization of real estate is definitely going to be real. It's definitely going to be real, guys. So yeah, in terms of the news regarding Ondo, you could see it on Ondo's official X page. They tweeted, "We are honored that Ondo was featured in the White House report by the President's Working Group on Digital Assets Market, which recognizes tokenized securities, stablecoins, and programmable settlements as building blocks of the future financial system. This recognition reflects a growing consensus. Tokenization isn't just an innovation, it's the future operating system for traditional assets in a global digital economy." So this is actually the link to the White House report. At Ondo, this moment reinforces that we've been building. This moment reinforces what we've been building towards for years, a more open, efficient, and globally accessible financial system powered by tokenized real-world assets. So, they are proud to have pioneered key infrastructure in the space, from launching the first tokenized treasuries widely available to global investors to building the first on-chain financial protocol designed to support permission tokenized securities alongside stablecoins. So, it goes on and on, but at the end of the day, what we definitely need to pick up from this is that Ondo is definitely the top 3 real-world assets projects in crypto on the blockchain that is recognized worldwide. So yeah, that is just all I can say now. So I'm very, very bullish on Ondo at the moment, guys. I'm very, very extremely bullish on Ondo. So I think you should also be bullish on Ondo too. You should definitely be bullish on Ondo. So without wasting much of your time, this is all I have for Ondo. If you do enjoy this video, do well to subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.